Last year I personally produced and uploaded more than 400 videos while working less than 4 hours a week on production. I didn't do this on a spam channel, I did this while building a media empire. I ran Statue of Wisdom, Kimi9, Kimi V2 and around 4 more other channels. Now the only way this is mathematically possible is because I don't edit videos, I assemble them. I built a system that removes 90% of the manual labor. So in this video I'm going to show you the exact system, how I filter ideas instead of brainstorming, how I use the phased editing method to finish edits in 60 minutes, and how I use AI to cheat the hard stuff. But first we need to fix your mindset. You've been brainwashed to believe quality over quantity. I believe quantity creates quality. So here is the math. If I post 7 videos a week across my channels and other creators spend months working on one masterpiece, I am learning 30 times faster than them. I see which hooks hold attention, I see which topics flatline, I get real data while they're still guessing. By the time they uploaded their first video, I've already optimized my system, improved my retention and made money. So step 1, the idea filter. Now this is the system, it starts before I even open the editing software. Most of you waste hours brainstorming. I don't brainstorm, I filter. I use tools to scan my niche for outliers videos that are performing abnormally well right now. Now if a topic is popping off on 3 other channels, I don't guess that it might also work for me. I know for a fact it will work. I take that proven concept, I apply my specific angle, whether it's stoicism for Statue of Wisdom or competitive strategy for Kimi9, and I hit record. This kills what a lot of YouTubers call the writer's block. Once I have the recording, I move to editing, and here is where you screw up. You are using a bazooka to kill a fly. On Statue of Wisdom, my main channel, sure, I might use DaVinci or Premiere Pro for more complex documentary-style storytelling. But for Kimi9 and for this channel and my other brands, I use CapCut Desktop. Because viewers do not care about your node-based color grading or other stupid stuff. They care about the value. CapCut has auto captions, drag and drop effects, and built-in transitions. What takes you like 50 minutes to keyframe in Premiere takes me 3 seconds in CapCut. So pick the tool that is built for speed, not for Hollywood. Now let's talk workflow. How do I actually finish a video in 60 minutes? I used phased editing. I never edit in a straight line, I do it in 3 phases. Phase 1 is the skeleton. I drag the voiceover into the timeline, I cut the silence, and that's it. The structure is locked. I'm not looking for B-roll yet, I'm focusing on the narrative flow. Because a lot of people just listen to videos, they don't even watch it in the first place. So in my opinion, the audio is the most important stuff. Phase 2 is show, don't tell. I listen to the audio, if I say samurai, I drag a samurai clip. If I say gun, I drag a gun clip, and I'm not doing color correcting at this point, I'm not tweaking pixels, I'm just covering the timeline. This keeps me in a flow state, so I don't stop to think. Phase 3 is the vibe. This is where beginners waste hours. You try to sync every drum beat to a cut. So stop it. Music is there for an emotion, not distraction. If the video is sad, I drop a sad track. If it's hype, I drop funk, I lower the volume and I export. Unless it's a montage, nobody really cares if the beat is slightly off. But they will care if the video itself is boring and the quality of information within that video is not really up to par. And step 4, the outsource and the AI cheat. But Razzie, what if I need a complex reanimation or a custom intro? No, here's my rule for that. If I can't do it myself in 60 minutes, don't do it. And also, don't really waste a lot of time with intros and stuff like that. That's like 2012, leave it there. No, I'm not a motion graphic artist. If I need something crazy, I pay a guy $30 on Fiverr to make a template. Then I reuse that template for the next 100 videos. Now, if I need a specific visual that I can't find, I don't really search stock sites for hours. I go to Midjourney or VO3, type the prompt and have the assets in 60 seconds. In this case, my time is worth more than $30 an hour. So is yours, of course. So stop trying to learn After Effects, just outsource the hard stuff or let AI do it for you. Now, the reason I can run 5 channels isn't because I'm smarter than you, actually might be the opposite. It's because I stripped away everything that doesn't matter. I focus on the idea, the script and the packaging. The edit just needs to be efficient enough to deliver the value. And if you want to move at this speed, you need the right system. So I made a free package in the description with all the things that actually matter when it comes to blowing up on YouTube. So get it. And if you want to see my full process on how I come up with viral ideas and how I execute on them, you can watch this video somewhere on the screen.